So my car is leaking coolant, and what I want to check first is the temperature sensor O-ring. So that's the sensor right there, and I'm gonna take the wires out first. We'll see what this O-ring looks like. It looks like it's leaking a little bit. I can see some fluid down below on the pan. And you want to do this when the car is nice and cool, so coolant doesn't overflow out. So here's the sensor. And there's the O-ring. Look, oh, looks like there's a crack right there. And looks like it's worn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this new O-ring right on where the old one was. Hopefully this will stop the leak. Okay. Yeah, that O-ring is sticking out more. So hopefully it'll seal it up. Put it back. Snap it back in there. Back, and then we'll see in a few days if my coolant's low, because I've been adding coolant every three or 4 days. Alright, I just drove my car around for a little bit, warmed it up. Let's see if the leak is gone. Looks like there's some fluid there from before, but I don't see it leaking. Yep. Looks like it's fixed. So changing the O-ring worked. First thing you guys want to check is the temperature sensor right here before you start replacing other stuff.